In this video, I'm going to show you how to allow camera access on your Mac computer. So head over to the Apple logo in the top left-hand side of the screen, and then from here, click on System Preferences. Once you're in this window, click on Security and Privacy, and from the navigation menu, click on Privacy. From the left-hand side, select Camera, and then click on the lock icon in the bottom left-hand side of the screen. It may ask you to enter the password for your Mac computer. Just enter your password and hit Unlock. So now in this right-hand window, you'll see all of the applications that are requesting access to our camera. If you don't see your application inside of this list, then you need to make sure that it's open in the background before coming over to this window. So you can see at the moment I have Google Chrome and Zoom in this list, and that's because I have them both open in the background on my computer. And then all you need to do is make sure the application has a check mark in it like so, and then you can just press the lock to save the changes. And that's it, guys. That's how you allow camera access on your Mac computer. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.